Good morning. Today is November 14th and it is a Thursday. And yeah, today we have PPI, unemployment claims, and also Fed Chair Powell speaking. But yeah, should be a good day. Let's get into the charts right here. And we can go ahead and clear these. Let's go on, yes. Okay, so zooming out. Zooming out. Okay. This order block holds bullish. We do tip into this for value gap on NQ. I would have liked to see us sweep this low and get SMT, but we did not do that. But it looks like we're going to make a Tuesday low of the week. And we're setting up nice buy side liquidity on NQ. All these highs setting up very nicely to be swept. And we already started to displace up after sweeping some internal liquidity. That's why I would have liked to see us sweep this sweep. Oh, yeah, it doesn't. I would have liked to see that sweep that low. But we have 8:30 data, so want to see data highs and lows be taken. And here's my buy side level, buy side liquidity, buy side liquidity. Up here. So yeah, my bias today is bearish, bullish. I have a bullish bias today. We sweep this internal liquidity. No, we don't. We make equal lows. I would have liked to see that get swept. But we sweep some internal liquidity. We sweep this. And I guess this wick holds. Let me see. Yeah, this wick holds consequent encroachment. Does it? No, it doesn't even tip into consequent encroachment. Dang. But I guess it holds if it doesn't even go there. This is a 15-minute low. We sweep liquidity. We push through this fair value gap to make it inverse. We then change the state of delivery. Then we start to displace up. Now we're getting a retracement back into this imbalance. Very nice with this inverse fair value gap that we're currently in. I would want to see some type of manipulation move to sweep out this liquidity. Maybe even we sweep this liquidity. We could go even lower back into this fair value gap. I don't know about sweeping this low. Maybe sweeping through all these three. But I'm bullish, looking for data highs to be swept and this buy side to be swept. And we could even come into this bearish imbalance. So that's my bias for today. At market open, I'll be looking for price to start by moving down lower, sweeping out this liquidity, having this bullish imbalance hold, and we go higher to sweep out these highs. And yeah, so that's all. I'll see you in aftermarket. Peace.